make Nutella Banana Milkshake. Nutella is made out of hazelnuts. Did you know a hazelnut tree can give hazelnuts until it's 80 years old?
Nutella was invented by a Italian company, Ferraro, in the 1964. The ingredients we need for this recipe is 2 or 3 spoonfuls of Nutella, 2 bananas. You can have your bananas in the freezer for 2 or 3 hours to keep your milkshake cold while blending, and 2 cups of milk. Put everything into the blender, then blend it very well.
Our yummy milkshake is ready!
Now let's do the taste test.
Yummy!
Please don't forget to subscribe our channel
For more upcoming learning activities, thanks for watching!